What is up guys, Alex here. I have the Samsung Galaxy A51 where I'll just be doing a quick water test. My dad did a water test on it. He told me that it survived. I didn't want to believe it. I didn't watch this video because I wanted to do this for myself. So in today's video, this is going to be a quick water test. First things first, I'll be showing you guys the screen. It does work. Maybe a picture so you guys can see it, and then after the water test I'll dip it in for 10 seconds, and then after the water test I will show you guys maybe if the speaker grill has water inside of it, or if the screen has water inside of it, or if the phone survived or not. But yeah, let's get on into the video. Alright guys, so before I start the water test, I want to show you guys the screen, and so you guys can see that it works. So here it is, and maybe I'll take a picture and show you guys a quick sound test so you guys can see that it works. But yeah, the screen works perfectly fine. Now let me show you guys a picture that I have maybe here. Alright guys, so right there it is, the camera. It does work, and then now I gotta try the back camera so you guys can see that it also works. But yeah, here we go. There it is. See, it's working perfectly fine, just like the Samsung Galaxy A51. I do want to mention that this phone is not waterproof. It doesn't have any IP68, IP58, any sort of water rating. So I am trying this for the sake of science. Alright guys, now I'm just going to be doing the water test. I do not think, or I do think that the phone will survive because I haven't tested it out yet. But I'm just going to leave it in there for 10 seconds. I hope it survives, because if it doesn't, that's GG. But yeah, I'm just going to leave it in, and I'm going to drop it in 3, 2, 1, and then 1. Start counting from 1, 1, 2. When you guys see it right there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then take it out. See if it survived. Right here, take the towel, dry it off real quick. I'm gonna be doing a test, see if it survives. I'm gonna move this down to the side, so I have more space right here. The box on here. I want to show you guys. I haven't seen the screen yet, so I don't know if it survived or not, but I gotta see. Survived the speaker grill. I think it has water maybe a little bit. But yeah, move this off to the side. Now let's see the screen if it works. Oh my god. It works. It works. Oh, okay. I actually didn't think it was gonna survive for 10 seconds. I thought the water was gonna get inside the motherboard, fry the CPU and everything, but it worked. Now let's see if the speaker grill got wet and if it still works or not. But I hope it works, because if it didn't, that's GG. This expectation for this phone were pretty high. But yeah, I'm just gonna play a quick video to see if it worked or not. But I'm actually so excited that it actually worked from the water test. But yeah, here we go. Here's the speaker grill for a quick sound test. But yeah, here you guys go. 100%. Oh my god. On many other phones, the screen, or not the screen, the speaker grill gets full of water and it doesn't, like, it sounds scuffed. But on this phone, it sounds the same. I probably should have left it in for longer, but I'm honestly surprised how this phone survived so well, where the speaker grill didn't get damage or wet whatsoever. It sounds pretty much the same as for any other like video that I would play. So yeah, honestly, this phone did survive, and it doesn't have a rating of IP. It doesn't have an IP rating whatsoever. Now I'm just gonna do the camera test so you guys can see the camera. If everything else works, I hope the camera works, because that's a massive letdown if the camera didn't work. But yeah, just a quick selfie, and it does work. And then, so that was after the water test right there, when you guys see it right there, and then the one before, or the one from the back camera. So when you guys see right there, see it works, moving and everything. I think I'm using the 48 megapixel camera that this phone has. But yeah, right there, I'm actually so surprised that this phone survived. This phone, you do have to be careful about the screen. It only has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, but in my opinion, I'm honestly so surprised that the phone survived the water test, and the speaker grill didn't get damaged whatsoever. I don't see any water inside like the USB Type-C port. But yeah, again, the screen real quick, the screen right there, how all the things that move in from the wallpaper. But yeah, honestly, it survived, and I'm shocked. I'm shocked that it survived. I thought it was actually gonna die. I have tried other phones before, and they do die when I do just a 10-second water test, maybe at the pool. Just a quick water test, and the phones do die. So I mean, honestly, this was a big point for me, for Samsung. So Samsung, good job on your part. And it doesn't have an IP rating. Like, that's the thing. It doesn't have an IP rating, but yeah, it can survive 10 seconds underwater. Maybe I counted too fast, but I don't know. But in the same order, alright guys, so I'll be leaving a comment down below, maybe after a day or 2 days, to tell you guys if the phone survived or not. But in my opinion, I feel like it survived. Maybe after a while the screen will probably turn black or something. But yeah, again, no IP water rating. Do not recommend this. I am doing this for the sake of technology, to see if it survives. But yeah, that's the crazy part. It doesn't have an IP rating, so it survived. But yeah, I'll be leaving down a comment in the description maybe 2 days from now to see if the screen turned black, or if it, like, you know, was damaged at all whatsoever. But in the same order, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want a water test within the Redmi K30, Samsung Galaxy, or a phone that doesn't have an IP water rating, but it can survive underwater for maybe 5 seconds without it being damaged. But yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications. Yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.